Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I did like a real quick thing where I showed you kind of what you're gonna need. This is kind of part 2 of the last video. I made some cute glittery like neon color acrylics to use. Now I don't know about you guys, but whenever I first started doing nails, I was on a super tight budget and I just really didn't have the funds to just buy everything that I wanted immediately. So I learned to, I just learned little hacks. With this, there are some really good brands that are coming out with some really awesome neon glitter acrylics that are super cute for the summer. However, not everybody can, just plop down $100 and order a whole set of them. So here is my little hack for when you just don't have it. So I really just get, some really cute glitters that I want to see in there. The opalescent ones are the best. You can mix them in with a little bit of clear acrylic, a little bit of neon color that you want, and a little bit of white acrylic if you want to add a pop to it, just to make it a little milky, or you can adjust your colors. And it comes out so cute. Now with this, there are some little shapes in it, so of course that's completely optional if you want to just kind of go with the different size round ones or square ones, or whatever makes your little heart happy. Now with this, I did add a little splash of like a blue purple type of glitter just to have a little bit of dimension. But I don't do that on the rest of them. I think on the yellow and the orange, I think I added a little bit of yellow glitter and a little bit of neon orange glitter. But this is such a really cool, quick way to just come up with something creative. And it works really amazing. So I like it. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you do. Let me know your own hacks. I'm always down to learn something new, save a couple of dollars, whatever works. Let me know what y'all are up to. And thank you guys so much for joining the video. I'm going to let y'all just see me make all the different colors and just see how they work. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Now this is just a fun little hack, so let me know if y'all try it. If you join my Instagram or join my Facebook group or follow me on TikTok, all of that information will be in the comments or in the, I don't even know, the little message area below. Let me know if y'all want me to try any other things. Again, I know I'm always promising to try to get my video uploads a little more accurate and a little more often. I'm actually really concentrating on that now. So I will see you guys soon and can't wait to see you for the next video. Bye guys!